You can choose to purchase either the classic rectangular post DIY gate kit or the U-Safe DIY gate kit. Let's take a minute to go over each gate so you can make an informed decision on what works best for you. Check out our YouTube videos on each gate kit to see what's involved to install each gate into your layout before you make your decision. The rectangular post DIY gate kit includes the gate frame, self-closing hinges, self-latching lockable latch, and rectangular posts. The rectangular post gate kit arrives with the hinges and the latch mounts pre-installed. The hinges are mounted on the left and the latch is mounted on the right. The gate will only swing open away from the pull to the left. The U-Safe DIY gate kit includes a pre-assembled gate frame with self-closing hinges and a self-latching lockable latch. The U-Safe gate also includes the peg shifter, which is featured in our U-Safe YouTube video. Because it arrives pre-assembled, the hinges are mounted on the left of the frame and the latch is mounted on the right. The gate will only swing open away from the pull to the left. Just as a reminder, ASTM requires that the gate swing out away from the pull.